My name is Alan Clasen, and I purchased my franchise in December of 2019. And my territories are Oak Brook and Schaumburg in the Chicagoland area. I've been a technologist and was a technologist for almost 30 years. And I was recently the director of technology at a large school district in Illinois, and was decided that I wanted to be in my own business. And I had owned a business previously and sold that business, and decided that 5-Star was a franchise that met my expertise, my skill set, and my future objectives. I was tired of having someone else be the boss and not being in charge of the day-to-day activities, and I really liked the idea of being able to hire people that were high quality and to make my day be what I wanted it to be. As I looked at other bath remodeling franchises, 5-Star really rose to the top as I looked at other vendors' offerings and the franchisors' different offerings. And additionally, the integrity that 5-Star offered for me was a real selling point, because franchisors often can modify agreements during the franchise period. I know that I can count on the people that are supporting me at 5-Star, as well as I can count on other franchisees that are doing the same thing that I'm doing. Some have a little more experience, and we all get to share ideas with each other, and that makes us all better. I would recommend and really encourage you to do as much investigation and research into not only the products, but also the background of the franchisor, because you'll find that from when it comes to investigating what a franchise is and how it works, that 5-Star is a cut above in terms of the integrity that they offer, the leadership that they offer, the experience in the industry. They are already established in other franchises, and 5-Star Bath is a area that I know will succeed in the future.